For 50 years, Nimitz-Class carriers have defined American sea power, projecting strength from both the Atlantic and Pacific. From USS Eisenhower's combat missions in the Middle East to high-tempo operations by USS Carl Vinson and USS George Washington in the Indo-Pacific, these giants remain mission-ready. Whether delivering aid or launching the latest jets, they're built for every challenge, anywhere, anytime. With advanced air wings and integrated tech, Nimitz-Class carriers are modern warfighting platforms ready for 21st century challenges. The Nimitz-Class isn't just a legacy, it's a living force. Still relevant, still ready, still leading the way.